Hello everyone, I am Miraz and you are watching Exeter Media. There are concept cars and then there's a concept that refine and enter brand. This is the Vision BMW ALPINA, the first official glimpse into the future of ALPINA under BMW Group. It represents a new chapter blending disgust of grand touring heritage with a bold vision for tomorrow, and at glance it's absolutely breathtaking. The font end immediately commands attention. A sculpted interpretation of BMW's iconic kidney grille sits proudly at the center, flanked by razor-thin illuminated headlamps. The proportions are clean, elegant, and unmistakable BMW. Yet every detail carries the refined character that has always defined ALPINA. Move around to the side, and the car's grand touring DNA becomes even more affluent. The long bonnet, sweeping to flying, and balanced slow weight create a sense of effortless motion. And when standing still, multi-spoke alloy wheels, ALPINA graphics, and sculpted surfaces give the car a timeless yet modern appearance. At the rear, the design remains both understated and dramatic. Slim LED lights signature stretch across the width of the vehicle. Wheel and elegant diffuser and wide access finisher reinforce its performance credentials without appearance excessive. Step inside and the philosophy becomes even clearer. The cabin combines cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury, a minimalist dashboard, premium materials, and panoramic display create an interior that feels sophisticated, claiming an unmistakable premium. Although this is still a Vision vehicle, BMW has confirmed that it continues ALPINA's grand touring tradition with a powerful V8 engine at its heart. But perhaps the most impressive aspect instant the performance, it's the balance. Every line, every proportion, and every detail has been designed to deliver speed without aggression, luxury without excess, and innovation without compromise, without losing the timeless elegance that has made ALPINA so distinctive for discuss. The Vision BMW ALPINA isn't simply showcasing a new car, it's showcasing the future of ALPINA, one of the most respected names in the world of performance luxury automobiles. If this concept is any introduction of what's to come, the next generation of ALPINA could be something truly special. So what are your first impression of the Vision BMW ALPINA? Would you like to see the elegance design make it into production? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Exeter Media, and I'll see you in the next video.